Hey, do you want an amazing way to make him crazy about you? You won't need to do any manipulation or play games in your relationship to achieve this. And these are by far the best methods to make him genuinely obsessed and crazy about you. We are going to explore the key component that will make him feel a more intense desire towards you. This will make him see that you're different and unique, and that he needs to fight for you. So make sure you stay tuned. And if you stay till the end of this video, I'm going to tell you a thing that women often say to men that kill their attraction without even knowing most of the time. Make sure you don't miss that. So with that said, let's get into the video. Hey, what's up ladies? It's Emma here with Love Lights, where we show you how to exactly make your love life the best it can be. So if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and tick the notification bell so you won't miss out on future videos. I'm sure you want to make him involved, make him give you compliments, attention, effort, and just value the time he's spending with you. You don't want someone who's just going to take from you and give you nothing. What makes a man feel that you're the right woman for him? Do you notice that some women who always believe in themselves, the women who always seem to know their value and are able to execute on that, don't you notice that almost all the guys are attracted to them? It is almost impossible for guys to not look at them. I'm sure you've seen women like this in your day-to-day life. So what is their secret? They are being high-value women. They are showing the traits of a high-value woman, and men's brains are wired up to be attracted to them. They are irresistible. So to make him crazy about you, you must know how to be a high-value woman, and that's the only way you can get the results you're looking for. What can you do to be a high-value woman? There are mainly 3 things about being a high-value woman, and the first one is attitude and confidence. If you always have a smile on your face and if you have a friendly and calm attitude, you'd be a high-value woman. This is really important. It's not just about the looks. Most women think that being sexy is being high value, and that's not true. You can be a classy woman and men will just be attracted to you just for that. A certain type of attitude gives out a certain type of energy, and men who are looking for that will be attracted to you, and they will find you irresistible. So attitude is really, really important. 2. Don't let your happiness rely on him. I am always saying this. A high-value woman enjoys her life. She absolutely loves her life. Her boyfriend is not the source of her happiness. You need to have a passion. You need to have friends and spend time with them. If you don't love your life and what you're doing, when you meet a man, your happiness will rely on him, and in a really, really short amount of time, it becomes a huge burden for him. But when you do and enjoy your own things, that makes him recognize your independence. He has to know how great your life is. He gets to be a part of it. That's because you want him to be a part of it, not because you need him to be a part of it. Make yourself a priority. Make him see that you're a high-value woman with an exciting life. 3. Be unpredictable and surprising. Being unpredictable is the key to making a guy crazy for you. So if you want a guy to be obsessed with you, be unpredictable. Don't do the same things over and over again. Just don't go on the extreme and be too unpredictable. That's when guys start to think that women are crazy. You want to be somewhere in the middle. And if you do that, he's always going to want more. I'll give you some examples of this. Just go to different restaurants to eat. Change your clothing style from time to time. Try to make new foods for him and things like that. It doesn't have to be all that amazing. Just don't always do the things you usually do. Okay, now, since you've stuck with me till the end, I'm going to tell you a phrase that triggers a man's insecurities, so you can avoid it in your relationship. And that is, my guy friend is the best. Men do not want to hear how awesome other men are. He might be awesome and funny, and if you want to share, you can share with your girlfriends. And if you have to tell him about it, tell him the awesome thing that he did or said, rather than how awesome he is. Even if you're not comparing them, he is comparing himself to other men around you. So make sure to not say this to trigger his insecurities. And also, if you want untold secrets to get any man addicted and obsessed with you, make sure to grab my free swipe file in the description below. And see you in the next video.